Let's see, doing this quick video to show off my new build that I just did. Well, let's see, I just got a new motherboard a couple days ago. It is the Asus Crosshair 990 FX, Republic of Gamers motherboard. Sorry for the flash, because other than that it's fucking dark in here, so you can't see anything in here. I do got 8 gigabytes of HyperX Blue DDR3. I got my, what is this? Oh yeah, Coolmaster GT V6 cooling my AMD or FX 8350. Just upgraded that from the 1100T. See, I also upgraded my graphics card from the MSI 6950 to a Gigabyte 7970. Has 3 gigabytes of memory on it, video memory, and a little power supply. This build is not quite done yet. I'm going to get another 7970, Crossfire it. I'm also going to get another hard drive, and probably a new case. It's a pretty old case. So yeah, probably gonna be getting a new case here pretty soon. But yeah, this is the computer I'm running on right now. CPU is a FX 8350. GPU is a Gigabyte 7970. The motherboard, Asus Crosshair, Formula V, and an OCZ power supply. Sorry for the cable management. The build's not quite done yet, so I'm not making anything permanent yet. But yeah, also gotta dust this thing out. Beast build is pretty beast. I also I'm gonna get a new motherboard, a new case, like I said. Other than that, this build's pretty much done. Gonna get another graphics card, new case, another hard drive. Yeah, I just want to show off my new or my build that I'm running on right now. Yeah. Alright, well, peace.